Hi, welcome to this very short video in which I would take up the topic of my first video where I discussed its versus its. So, as you can see, the topic should I write its with an apostrophe or should write its without an apostrophe? And you come across both the usages. Now, basically, the confusion arises because when we hear someone speak, use this word in their speech, pronunciations are the same. So, in order to clear up the confusion, I am using two resources. Both are Oxford dictionaries. So, these are the resources I am using. So, let us first take up its. Now, as you can see on the screen, it's with an apostrophe. Now, it tells us, you can notice here at the top, powered by Oxford, lexico.com. This is also a bigger, larger edition of Oxford Dictionary. It's with an apostrophe, and the meaning is given, it is. So, as you can see here, it is. It's my fault with an apostrophe. So this is the short form of it is. Let us look at more examples. Really, it's as though people will write any old rubbish to see their name in print. Really, it's as though blah blah blah. So it with an apostrophe. Now I will be focusing only on the relevant part. It's best to head for one of the countries, which means it is best. Similarly, in the next sentence, and it's no use, meaning it is no use. Next example, it's tight, means it is tight. But it's important, meaning but it is important. So you see that, and it's never good to play. It is never good to play. So you see in all these examples, it, which is here, apostrophe s means it is. As I mentioned that day, the second meaning when you use it apostrophe s is it has. And one example is given right in front of you. It's been a hot day. It has been a hot day. How do you become sure? When you come across the word been. So you know that here it symbolizes, apostrophe s symbolizes it has. Let us look at other examples. But it has got to change sooner or later. I am only reading the relevant part. But it's got to change means it has got to change. How do you know? Because got. So it has got. Similarly, the standard that the orchestra is working at the moment is higher than it has ever been. So it's ever been. The use of been tells us that it is not it is, but it has. Again, it's become a story about a speed, meaning it has become. So now it's started again. Now it has started again. So apostrophe s symbolizes, means only two things, either it is or it has. Let us look at its without an apostrophe. It's, listen to the pronunciation.
It's.
Here also,
It's.
I'm not sure, but I hope that you have been able to hear the pronunciation. Okay, so it's belonging to or connected with a thing, an animal, or a baby. Look at the examples. Turn the box on its side. No apostrophe. Have you any idea of its value? No apostrophe. It's the dog had hurt its paw. No apostrophe. The baby threw its food on the floor. Its food means food belonging to the baby. It's without an apostrophe. So I hope it clears up the doubt whether apostrophe should come or not. Both the uses are correct, having different meanings. I hope this has been of some help. Hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.